It is not money, it's appreciation. That if it was by examination, you may not have been the first person.
FCT Minister Nyesom Wike summons Governor Sim Fubara to Ateke Tom, unraveling the political dynamics. Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Tank TV, your go-to source for insightful discussions on Nigerian politics. Today we've got a gripping topic on our hands. Nyesom Wike, the former governor of Rivers State and current FCT Minister, has summoned the current governor of Rivers State in person of Sim Fubara to Ateke Tom, who many see to be a strong man. Now let's dive into the full details of this matter. But before we delve into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will never miss out on our in-depth analysis of Nigerian political developments. Recently, there has been a significant development in Nigerian politics as Nyesom Wike, the former governor of Rivers State, has summoned Sim Fubara to Ateke Tom, who many see to be a strong man in Rivers State. To understand the implications, let's take a quick look at the background of the individuals involved. Nyesom Wike, known for his assertive leadership style, has been a prominent figure in Nigerian politics. As the former governor of Rivers State, his decisions often have far-reaching effects in the political landscape. Meanwhile, Sim Fubara, the current governor of Rivers State, a political figure, has been summoned by Nyesom Wike. Fubara's influence and role in the political arena have caught the attention of many. What could be the reason behind this summons?
There are leaders who are here, Chief Ateke Commissioner for Special Projects and former Chief of Staff, Chairman of the Local Government Council, all our leaders that are here. I saw Ahmed now, he has come in. Okay, Honorable Member representing of Obodo State Constituency. My dear brothers and sisters, let me welcome all of you. Today, Sunday, the 26th of November 2023, when the new Director of Finance and Admin came to me, that the people of Krikese would want to come and visit me. I asked him for what? He said, to appreciate me. As appreciation, does that word still stand again? And there are still people who are grateful in life that for what God has used people to do for them, they can gather their people within the shortest time to say thank you for what God used you to do for our people. God does everything, but God does not come down.
Yes, yes.
God uses so it touched me that within, when was it inaugurated? 1 week ago? 1 week ago, isn't it? Yeah. And he has brought all his people, including his wife, to say thank you. It is not money, it's appreciation. That if it was by examination, you may not have been the first person. If you were guilty or handsome, you may not have been the person. But as it pleases God, that he used his own people to make sure this thing actualized. When people go to church to thank God, God said yes, it is good to appreciate and thank him. And also go back to thank those I use to make sure it's actualized. The one did not stay and cause crisis to run away from thanking you. Did not do that. What's important in life here? Nobody has given a position because we know that you are the best. One of the cardinal things is trust. is what? Trust. Character. The one has shown that is a man of character and a man of trust. If he does not have character and a man of trust, he will find one excuse to blackmail me, to say I call him every midnight, just to run away from. Thank you. The man did not say, no, I won't come and tell him thank you. I'm sending away. So that he will not know that I'm the one that pleaded and recommended him to the President of the Federal Republic. In everything that happens to you, even when somebody died, they say, thank God. It's not true? Yes. Even when you are crying, that you have lost somebody, you say what? Thank God. Not to talk about one good thing has happened to you. Be bold. Stand firm. It doesn't matter what will happen. Say thank you. You are the one that God used to make this possible. The day the president wanted to construe this point, all the time, I went to him and said, Mr. President, sir, please help me. Help me. I want a reverse man to be one of the executive directors. It was very hectic, turbulent. The law allows only 2 executive directors and 1 managing director. So, argument, where would this one go?
You're seeing it for yourself. Now, in conclusion, the summon of Sim Fubara by Nyesom Wike to meet with Ateke Tom is a puzzle that requires careful consideration. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this story and provide you with the latest updates on Nigerian politics. If you found this analysis insightful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with fellow political enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on Think Tank TV. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and keep the conversation going. This is Think Tank TV, and my name is Moses Waribor, signing off. See you on our next program. Bye for now.